Hi everyone and welcome to this motion design tutorial series. In this series I will guide you through the basics of using motion design as part of your digital product design workflow. We can use animation and add an additional layer of polish to our designs, add delight, and also provide more context around our designs for the user. In this tutorial series we'll be learning how to design a toggle in Figma and then animate it in After Effects so that we can export a Lottie file. If you don't know what a Lottie file is yet, don't worry, we will go through this later. This Lottie file can then be handed over to the engineering team to implement as a product-ready animated asset. This tutorial series will take you through the entire process of how to design and create product-ready, high-quality vector animations. So as we can see here, this is the final thing that we're going to be building. It's an animated toggle, and we can see it's got a kind of squash and stretch liquid effect to it. So this is the actual Lottie file, and this is the actual asset that is being played right now. So how we started this was we created something in Figma, and I will be going through in this tutorial series on how to do this. So this is the actual prototype here. We can see in the components file how this is built. So we will go through all the transitions of how to make this work in Figma itself, take it into a prototype, and then we can see it working directly in Figma. Once we've got our plan set out here in Figma, we can take it into After Effects and we can build it using keyframes like so. And you can see if I just scrub this timeline, we can see how that handle actually behaves when we animate it. Lastly, we will export this using LottieFiles plugin that's built directly into After Effects, and we will be creating this asset that you can see here, which if I scrub the timeline, you can see the animation here. So please make sure you read all the details in the Notion document. Make sure you have installed all the software required. That is After Effects, Figma, the Lottie plugin for After Effects. Not a requirement, but definitely helpful, is a plugin that's still in development called AEUX. You would need to install that for both Figma and After Effects, and all the documentation and links to these softwares are available in the Notion doc. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.